Michelle Mello. I'm from Mexico and I was a student in BCS a year ago. Today we're gonna be trying a Mexican recipe that's super traditional. I'm quite sure you guys know what it is, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, we're gonna be preparing a salsa that's gonna have onion, different types of chile. This is jalapeno and this is serrano. We're gonna have tomatoes also. We're gonna prepare a guacamole. It's not guacamole, it's guacamole. We're gonna have soft tortillas, and you're gonna need, as a meat, pork. Now we're gonna place our vegetables in the pan. They have to be a little bit burnt because that gives a special flavor to the salsa. And I forgot to mention, you gotta add garlic. And we just have to leave them there for a little while. While we let our vegetables set in the pan, we're gonna start preparing the guacamole. It's actually very simple. There's people who like it with tomato and onion, but I like it in a very simple way. So here it goes. Okay guys, so we're gonna start smashing our avocado in the bowl. Okay, your vegetables have to look something like this. Don't think it's we did it wrong. No, it's going the right way. And now, to prepare the salsa, you can use whether a blender or a molcajete. That's the typical Mexican way to prepare a salsa. Okay, so this is the next step for the salsa. You need a molcajete. This is very Mexican. You can use also a blender, don't worry. First, we're gonna put a little bit of this special salt. A little bit of pepper. And you just need to crush it with this stone that's part of the molcajete. And it will have to do like a little powder. So it looks something like this. And now we grab our vegetables. And now we're gonna start crushing them. And this is gonna turn out to be our salsa. Here's our final result of the salsa. It might not look as appealing as it is when you try it, but trust me, it's worth to give it a try and to have the experience of different flavors in your mouth. Okay, for the final touch, you're gonna need coriander and onion, and you need to chop it as small as possible. It should look something like this. Like this. For this taco, we're gonna use this type of meat. It's called chamorro. It's pork, but you can use beef, you can use fish, shrimp, any other type of meat that you like. We put our tortilla in a plate. Then we grab our meat. We put it in the tortilla. A bit of this onion. A little bit of lime, and a little bit of salt. I hope you guys enjoy how a real taco tastes and looks like. Keep on being safe and positive. Bye!